All right, folks, here we go. Wednesday morning, kicking off the day here in Chicago. Stocks moving lower after a positive day yesterday. Why? Well, we're seeing a rise in interest rates. Bonds are moving higher. Bond rates are moving higher. We're also seeing this morning oil prices moving higher yet again to the tune of 3%. So we've got WTI trading at $112 a barrel. So seeing big moves in both of those, pushing stocks lower. Also, other news out this morning, Moderna coming out saying that it's seeing some positive results in its vaccination for children 5 years old and younger, and they're going to press forward with authorization of that vaccine. So that just hit the wires about an hour ago. So not a lot on the data front. We do have some home sale data coming out this morning. Again, a lot of focus on Ukraine, Russia, inflation with these bond rates moving higher. What's the Fed going to do moving forward? So that's still the theme with these markets at the current moment. So everybody get in there today. Let's trade some price action. Let's have a great day. Midpoint of the week. Let's finish the latter part of the week strong. I'll see you folks again tomorrow morning.